Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you basic motions and gestures on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. The most basic motions you need to know are swiping down from the top of your screen, from the very top, like starting here, will open the notification center with these controls, and when you swipe this little bar down again, then it will display more controls. You can swipe through pages of it, click on them or press and hold to adjust their settings. Then you can swipe through pages, and when you swipe down but not from the top, like on the center, you enter this search, so you can search for something locally or online. When you swipe to the right, you will open the Google feed, and when you swipe up, you will open the app drawer. Now, you can set your phone to two different navigation modes, gestures or buttons. Now it's in gesture modes. Displays this bar at the bottom, which can be used to go back to home. So when I'm in an app, then I can go back to home by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. To go back, but not to the home, but within an app, swipe from the left quickly or from the right side to go back. And to go to last opened apps, swipe up just a bit, hold and release. Then you are in last opened apps. And when you swipe from the left and hold, you'll open this bar, so you can open, for example, write a note, and it will open JNotes. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.